Well, hello. Midnight has me hostage. If you move, she scratches you. If you pet her, she scratches you. If you blow in her face. Midnight, look at the camera. I think she's purring.
Oh, is she doing your eat paws yet?
I don't know, but I have enough blankets to keep me safe from her claws this time.
That's probably why she's not doing it. She can't feel your heartbeat.
She is purring.
Yeah, she's very happy. She's an early bird.
You're a cute cat. No more scratching me. She put her claw out.
Yeah, she's like, you're not leaving me. Never. Oh, can you hear that? Oh, she kind of nuzzled it.
Yeah.
Good night. What? Did you kill it? I was gonna get your belly. Your back feet. Back feet. Okay.
I don't think she liked that.
Oh, she ran away.
Oh, Midnight.
Midnight. Midnight. I love you.